Today I'm sharing a release process. You will see shift in your health, relationship, career and money, all aspects of your life. You don't have to do anything, you just have to listen to me. You do not have to force anything. You do not have to do anything special. Just listen and allow whatever I'm saying. Okay? Keep an open mind to it and it will work. Today I choose to release. I release all heaviness from my mind. I release all heaviness from my heart. I release all heaviness from my body. I release all heaviness from my energy. I release all lower vibrations and energy and emotions that I have been carrying all these days. I release all emotional blocks that are stopping me from feeling light, peaceful, aligned, happy. I let go of stress. I let go of pressure. I let go of fear. I let go of worry of present, worry of future. I let go of overthinking. I let go of inner resistance I may have for anything in life. I let go of emotional pain. I let go of all thoughts that are making my vibrations heavy. I let go of all the feelings that are blocking my natural alignment. I let go of all feelings that are blocking my growth. I release guilt. I release shame. I release blame. I release hurt. I release anger. I release anger for myself. I release anger for others. I release anger for situations. I release sadness. I release disappointments. I release frustrations. I release all that pain that I have been carrying inside me. I do not need to hold it anymore. It is safe to let go. It is safe to release. It is safe to become life. It is safe to return to my natural vibrations. I release the need to control everything. I release the need to control people. I release the need to control myself. I release the need to control the results, the outcome. I release the need to force manifestation. I release the need to push life. I release the resistance of why is it not happening? I release the resistance of why my manifestation not working? I release the pain of waiting. I release the doubts around my manifestation. I trust that life is working for me. I trust that universe is supporting me. I trust that things are moving in the right directions. I trust that I'm guided. I trust that I'm safe. I trust that my manifestation is on the way. I release all old hurts. I release all emotional blocks. I release all resistance. I release all stuck energy. I release all past pain that is not lowering my vibrations. Whatever is not serving me now, I let it go. Whatever is not in alignment with my highest good, I release it now. I release all energy of lack. I release all feelings of lack. I release all energy of fear. I release all energy of doubt. I release all energy of what if something goes wrong. I release this question itself, what if? What if something goes wrong? What if this doesn't happen? What if that doesn't happen? I release all energy of what if. I release all my inner noise. I release all my misalignments. I release comparison. I release competitiveness. I release the habit of looking at others and feeling I'm behind. I'm not good enough. I release the habit of comparing myself with others. I release jealousy when I see others getting success. I release pain when I see others getting results and I am not. I release the thought that life is unfair to me. I release the feeling that others are moving ahead and I'm stuck. I release the resistance I feel when somebody else manifests faster than me. I release the heaviness I feel when somebody else's results are better than me. I release the emotional block that says, maybe it will happen for others, but not for me. I release the lower vibration of comparison. I release the energy of jealousy. I release the energy of competition. I release the belief that someone else's success reduces my chances. I release the need to compare my journey with anybody else's journey. I bless people who are growing. I bless people who are winning. I bless people who are succeeding. I bless people who are manifesting beautiful results. I bless people who are manifesting much faster than me. I bless people who are happy and successful. I also open myself to my own success. I do not need to compete. I do not need to compare. I do not need to force. I do not need to struggle. I do not need to feel small because someone else is shining. Their light does not reduce my light. Their success does not block my success. Their manifestation does not stop my manifestation. There is enough for everyone. There is enough for me too. I'm allowing my own journey. I'm allowing my own timing. I'm allowing my own manifestation to unfold. My time is coming. My results are on its way. Life is not skipping me. The universe is not ignoring me. I'm also supported. I'm also chosen. I'm also worthy. I'm also in the process of beautiful manifestation. Today I choose new energy. Today I choose high frequency. Today I choose new vibration. Today I choose peace. Today I choose trust. Today I choose lightness. Today I choose healing. Today I choose freedom. Today I choose alignment. Today I choose to allow. Today I choose to stop resisting life. I forgive myself. I forgive the past. I forgive people who hurt me. I forgive myself who hurt others. I forgive the delays. I forgive the disappointments. And I free myself now. I bless everyone. And I bless myself too. I release all feelings of not being enough. I am enough. I release all feelings of being behind. I'm exactly where I need to be. I release all feelings of hopelessness. I now choose faith. I release all confusion. I now choose clarity. I release all inner noise. I now choose peace. I release all heaviness from my heart chakra. I release all heaviness from my mind. I release all heaviness from my body cells. I release all heaviness from my aura. With every moment, I'm letting go. With every moment, resistance is melting. With every moment, my vibrations are raising. With every moment, my vibrations are rising. With every moment, I'm becoming lighter. Every moment, I'm healing. With every moment, I'm moving into alignment. I now return to my natural state of peace, my natural state of love, my natural state of joy, my natural state of abundance, my natural state of alignment, my natural state of allowing, my natural state of trust, my natural state of high frequency. I'm connected to my source. I'm connected to divine love. I'm connected to true self. I am safe. I am loved. I'm guided. I'm healing. I'm growing. I'm becoming lighter and lighter. I can feel the shift in my energy. I can feel the release in my body. I can feel more space inside me. I can feel more calm inside me. I can feel more love inside me. I can feel more alignment inside me. I'm now allowing new energy to enter my life. I'm allowing peace, joy, abundance, love, clarity, miracles, healing, and manifestation in my life. I allow myself to receive. I allow myself to feel good. I allow myself to move forward. I allow myself to desire. I allow my vibrations to match what I truly want. I allow my frequency to match what I truly want. I allow my manifestation to come in the perfect way. I trust the universe. Today, I release the old. Today, I welcome new. Today, I choose to feel light. Today, I choose to feel free. Today, I choose to feel alive. Today, I choose to trust. Trust the process of life. Trust the universe. And from this moment, I move ahead with clean energy, a peaceful heart, a clear mind, a strong body, a high vibration, and a powerful energy of manifestation. I'm ready, I'm open, I'm aligned, I'm free. Tathastu. My suggestion will be try it for 21 days and come back and let me know what shifted in you.